In today's video, I'll teach you how to create AliExpress account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open the application if you want. If you've opened the browser, click on the search bar and type in aliexpress.com, press enter. After you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of AliExpress. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for sign in or register. If you hover over it, you'll be able to find the options like sign in, register, my orders, etc. Simply click on this option, register. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to register for your account. What you have to do is simply enter your email address, or you can also continue with Google, Facebook, Apple or Twitter. Click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter my email. So click on the field of email and provide your email address over here. Now after you enter the email address, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here 4-digit code will be sent to your email address. Simply go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. AliExpress has sent me the email. Simply click on that email. Now that particular email will be opened. In this email you'll be able to find the code. What you have to do is simply memorize this code. Go back to the AliExpress tab. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now after you enter the code, simply wait for a while. Now you can see over here your AliExpress account has easily been created. So that is how you create AliExpress account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.